What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drevs at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2021 BMW Alpina XB7. This vehicle is powered by a twin turbocharged 4.4 liter V8 with 612 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. So the Alpina is an awesome SUV. This is the first time I've ever driven an Alpina XB7. I've never actually driven any Alpina other than a 2007 BMW Alpina B7 once. So I'm really excited to see how an Alpina XB7 drives. Really beautiful car right here. I love these. I would take this over an X7 M60i or M50i from this time period at least, because of the rarity of the Alpina, the really unique styling, and the more luxurious element that it has to it. You have this beautiful wood trim in Alpinas. This is like a signature Alpina wooden trim. You also have the Alpina crest on the iDrive controller. You also have the glass controls in here. Alpina's paddle shifters are little buttons. Like if you can see over there, just minus and plus is a little button there. It's not actual paddle shifters. I always wonder why they did that. You'll have heated and ventilated seats in here. You also have a heated steering wheel, and you have massage seats, which we're going to turn on. The Alpina gauge cluster is blue. That's also a signature Alpina design right there. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have Bowers & Wilkins sound system in here. Beautiful black seats. You also have captain's chairs, and you have 2 sunroofs, 1 panoramic sunroof and a 3rd sunroof for the 3rd row, so it has like the sky view sunroofs. And you also have the automatic shades. And you also have an air suspension. Nice center console storage, and there's the wireless charging tray for this vehicle. I love the placement of that. But let's walk around this Alpina and see what it looks like. Sounds good. This is like a really nice blue color. I believe this is the Alpina blue. Or it could be Tanzanite blue, but I'm pretty sure that this is like the unique Alpina blue. It says Alpina on the front bumper. You also have laser lights, and you also have chrome grille. You also have chrome on the bumper as well. So Alpinas have like the chrome look. As I mentioned, it's like a more luxurious look. And you have the giant Alpina wheels. These are signature Alpina wheels. They look amazing. I love them. You also have blue Alpina calipers. You have a chrome strip that goes along the doors. Blackout trim other than that though. And you can move these seats with these controls over here. You also have heated rear seats, and you also have cup holders down there, which is nice. You also have quad outlet exhausts, Alpina XB7. I love the way these quad exhausts look. I wish North America got more Alpinas. Like you know, other parts of the world get multiple different versions of Alpinas, but we only get the XB7. You have the B7. Actually, this generation of the doesn't even have the B7, so all we have right now is the XB7. But anyways, looks awesome. Beautiful SUV. I can't wait to drive it. Let's see what this car can do. I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus. And here's the backup camera. Forgot to show you guys that. 360 view. And since I mentioned it has a more luxurious look, you don't get the M Sport steering wheel. You get the regular BMW steering wheel, but it has the Alpina logo. That's what I love about this. It has insane power, but it's also very, very luxurious, and has like a more understated look compared to like an X5M or something like that, you know? Actually, it's kind of hard to call this understated with the giant wheels and all that, but you know what I mean. Yeah, that is crazy fast. And that V8 sounds awesome. Wow, that is amazing. Nice steering too, very nice steering feel. That is awesome. effortless power. And even in the Sport Plus, the car feels very, very comfortable. These seats are really comfortable too, especially with these massage rollers on my back right now. Really, really nice. Very impressed. It's literally what I expected. I mean, an Alpina is gonna be literally a luxurious tank with monstrous power, and that's what this car is. This would be such an awesome car to daily drive, and it does everything, you know. Looks awesome, drives amazing, has a lot of space for passengers and cargo, and is super unique, makes a statement. This is like a very amazing, stately vehicle. I love the BMW X7 in general. How awesome is this? But you can definitely feel the weight of this car. I mean, that's expected. Like, it's a heavy SUV, but it gives you more than enough power to overtake in traffic when you need it. Man, I love BMW. With the condition it's in great condition. Really nice cornering. That never gets old. That is so fun. Put it back in the comfort mode for the rest of the drive. Since we got off the highway, I want to see what it's like in the normal driving settings. And I really like the brown interiors that Alpinas have, but this black interior looks really good too. And you can just see the build quality in here. Everything looks so beautiful and elegant. The dash is like extended leather. You also have an Alcantara headliner. The Bowers and Wilkins speaker grills are gorgeous, like beautiful polished metal with really nice design for the speaker, you know, speakers itself. That is so cool. I love it. But overall, that concludes today's video on this 2021 BMW Alpina XB7. Thanks for watching another video of Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for this Alpina B7. It is currently for sale at Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine. Thanks again, and I'll catch you all in the next video.